Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Open, and let me share with you how to enable the Nightlight or Eye Comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on them because we will start with the customization. After that I'll show you much faster access to this option. So now we have to open display and brightness. Now let's scroll down and find this Eye Comfort and Sleep option. Let's time. Here we've got something like a bedtime, so if you want to, you can use this option. If not, we can just focus on this eye protection. And basically, we can simply turn it on with this switcher, and right now you can see the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So here we've got the switcher, which will allow us to change the intensity of that feature. By going to the left, we can make it much cooler. It's almost invisible, and by going to the right, much higher, much warmer. It's also almost orangish, so just set it like you want to. We can also schedule the feature, so just tap on it. You can turn it on a specific time and turn it off at specific time of your choice. Of course, you can change it just by swiping, and of course your device will apply the schedule and turn the option according to it. And here we've got also display colors, display effects, sorry. We can tap on it and we can either display everything with the color which will be affected by this yellowish shield, or we can totally remove the colors and everything will be displayed in the monochromatic way, so only black, white and those grayish colors. So it's of course up to you which option you prefer. I think I prefer the color. So this is the customization of this mode, and of course we can have much faster access to it. All we have to do is to unroll the top bar. Let's unroll the top bar, and we have to find the option Eye Comfort, which is right here. So let's simply tap on it to turn it on, to apply it, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.